Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add percentage fee based on multiple payment gateway using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and then you see subtotal, you see payment gateway we have. So we are going to add percentage fee for each payment gateway according to subtotal. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you see add title and then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. And then in custom code you see payment gateway ID, COD, BACS, direct bank transfer, check, PayPal, Stripe, and then you see percentage fee, you see amount. So you can add this number according to your requirement, multiply subtotal divided by 100. So you can add this equation according to your requirement. And then you see title, percentage fee. So you can add percentage fee title according to your requirement. Now go to WooCommerce. So we are in payment section and then you see different payment gateway. So open it. So we are going to find out payment gateway ID. In URL you see checkout and then you see section is equal to Stripe. So you can add payment gateway ID according to your requirement. In custom code, so in code you see 2 into subtotal divided by 100 for COD, 3 into subtotal divided by 100 for BACS. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see percentage fee. So we select Stripe and then you see 1.47. Now select cash on delivery and then you see percentage fee 0.49. Now select PayPal and then you see percentage fee for PayPal payment gateway 1.23. So you can add equation according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.